Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech and Knowledge. Today I will be showing you how you can enlarge the image without using Photoshop. So I have a website over here for you. It's photopea.com. Over here you can use same functions that you use in Photoshop, but it's for free. So just drag in your image over here. It also accepts the PSD file too. And from here go to image and then go to image size. Over here you have to change the resolution DPI, change it to something else, maybe like 300. It's a really big file now. Once you save it, you'll see that it's a really big file, and you will feel the difference. So that's it for the tutorial. If you like this, please thumbs up, subscribe for more, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. Thank you.